Yes, beta. Sai Ram. As I told you. Sai Ram, beta. Keep yourself muted. है ना? Today
Sai
you
Ram,
will
sir.
guide. Sai Ram, beta. Sai Ram. Write in the chat box Sai Ram. That's all. Okay, beta. Unless until I say you to unmute, do not unmute yourself. Remember this. Chat box में आप लिख सकते हो साई राम मुझे. Only Sai Ram and all positively. Remember questions you can write down. Okay. So today, Rishika, you will guide me, beta. है ना? In between, whenever
Yes,
I
sir.
ask you, है ना? You will guide me, beta. Sometimes what
Yes,
happens?
sir.
I am seeing the screen, but you are not able to see. That time it should be, है ना? Clarity should be there. Okay. So first of all, I am sending you the link for today's questions. Okay, be ready. Here is that. I should copy it. Control C and come back in the chat box. See the chat box, everybody. Control V, and here goes the link. Can you see the link?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, open the link and do all the 8 questions. It may possible you may not be able to solve 1 or 2 questions. It doesn't matter. Apply your brain, think on it. Do it, everybody. Raghav, keep yourself muted. Do not unmute, please. Those who are joined right now, certainly they will not get the chat box. So again, I am sending. Okay, Taniska has joined right now. So again, I am sending the link. Okay, beta, Taniska, see the link. Open it. Do the questions. Only 8 questions, I think, are there. 7 to the 14 and 115. Yeah, 15 marks.
सर उसमें आ रहा है यू नीड परमिशन. सर लिंक ओपन
नहीं
नहीं हो
बेटा,
रहा है.
आप every day you complain like this. When you join with your own ID, this will not be needed because I belong to the school, you belong to the school. If both of us are using school given ID, not her what happened?
सर लिंक नहीं खुल रही.
बेटा खुलेगा. आप अपने
सर उसमें लिखा रहा है यू नीड परमिशन.
what permission?
सर लिखा आ रहा है सर. सर स्क्रीनशॉट भेजें.
नहीं बेटा, स्क्रीनशॉट कहाँ भेजोगे मुझे? आप दोबारा ज्वाइन करो. अगेन डू इट. Keep yourself
Sir, please send the link once again.
Yeah, again. Yes, I'm sending. All others are doing beta. So how it happens that 1 or 2
Sir,
of
done.
Sairam beta. Send again. Again send beta. Do it. Kaniska is leaving, joining.
सर नहीं खुल रही.
Oh, Janul.
Sir, done.
Done. Good. Very good. So they see others are doing better. If password, it asks for password, give your password of your email, Gmail ID password. You can write down. है ना?
Sir,
If it asks for password, give your Gmail ID password. I have not given any password. It is password free.
हो गया सर.
Yeah, done. Good. Good beta.
sir अभी भी लिखा है report abuse.
Do it. Open again, Janul. From the new link sent. New link means again I have sent the link. Same link I have shared again.
सर नहीं हो रहा.
चलो आप अवॉइड करो this time. For the next time, see
आप
it.
मेरे को क्वेश्चन बता दीजिए.
I'll show all the questions.
Sir, done.
Done. Good. I'll wait for 10 minutes, beta, है ना? I'll wait. Say it is 2:07. I'll wait till 12 or 13, 14, 15 minutes. Up to 2:15. I'll wait. Let others also do. Meanwhile, you can revise your, yeah, open your science book, beta. Those who have done, open your science book. If you can recall the questions, try to get the answer from your book also. Okay. Raghav Sharma and one more join. Sairam Raghav.
No, sir. I cut it. I do the test.
Okay, good, good, good. Anybody could not find the link? Should I send again?
Sir,
Should I send the link again, beta? No, I think.
सर क्वेश्चन बता दीजिए.
Question I'll show you, beta. Parth Sharma joined right now. Parth, could you get the link, beta?
yes, sir.
Okay. Doing the questions? Rishika? No. What happened, Rishika?
तो सर मैंने बोला था लिंक नहीं चाहिए मेरा
अच्छा
हो रहा
लिंक
है.
मैं दोबारा भेज रहा हूँ. राइट, एक बार और भेज दे रहा हूँ. लो. Once again, I have shared the link. So let me show you the responses which you have already sent. Very few of you have sent the responses, beta. 1, 2, 3, 4. लेकिन नाम ही नहीं लिखा अपना. Why? Name field is must, beta. Or I did not make it must. Without name, how could you go ahead? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of you have given the reply only. And highest score is 9 so far. है ना? Scored by Raghav Sharma. Wow, what Raghav? Can you see the screen, beta? Rishika? Rishika?
Yes, sir.
Can you see the screen? What is there on the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Your score is there. You can see one Excel sheet. Rishika? All of you are not doing beta. Only 7 of you. What others are doing? You all will get 0 then. Don't take it easy. All of you have to solve all the questions.
सर मेरे को भी भेज दीजिए.
Link.
सर खुल ही नहीं रही. सर वो सर क्वेश्चन बता दीजिए. सर वो खुल ही नहीं रही. सर लिखा रहा है you need permission.
Permission I have given to all. Right? Permission I have given to all. Okay. So let me stop sharing and come back to my meet.
सर लिखा रहा है this form is only viewed by users.
So you are having some problem in your set, beta. है ना? खोल नहीं रहा है. राघव तिवारी. Raghav Tiwari, what happened to you? Again I'm sending. See. Okay, beta. Try to open up this time. Himanshu has done.
उसमें ये भी लिखा है कि इट्स थिंक अ मिस्टेक।
हाँ, नो मिस्टेक, अदर्स आर डूइंग ना बेटा। Okay, those who have done. Now see the questions. Should I discuss the questions? Are you ready, Rishika?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, Harshad also done.
I'm presenting my
Yes, sir.
screen. You okay, beta? Sharing my screen. And now, tell me, Rishika, what can you see on the screen?
Sir, Google Form
Google
7th
Form.
B Science
7th B. Yes,
24.
yes, good. This was right. So see, my first question was, which of the following is a non-metallic alkali? Non-metallic alkali. Alkali means you know
Ammonium hydroxide.
ammonium.
Sir, ammonium hydroxide.
Ammonium hydroxide.
Only Rishika should speak. Others
Second.
understand that you have spoken, beta. All of you do not speak. Otherwise, it creates problem, beta. है ना? Your words understand that. Then after then, I will give you the right answer. So that will be compensated. Okay. I think right now I think that each one of you know the answer. Alkali means a base which is soluble
Sir,
in water
base
is
is
called alkali. है ना?
Base is soluble in water.
Phosphoric acid.
Soluble base. A soluble base is called alkali. So अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, इसका फॉर्मूला आप देखना, अभी मैं बाहर निकलूंगा ना इससे बेटा तो बताऊंगा। NH4OH है ना, याद है? अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड फॉर्मूला इज NH4OH, N नाइट्रोजन नॉन मेटल, H हाइड्रोजन नॉन मेटल, ऑक्सीजन नॉन मेटल, सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज अ नॉन मेटालिक अल्कली। एंड ऑल अदर्स में देखोगे, कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड इट हैज कैल्शियम व्हिच इज अ मेटल, magnesium hydroxide it has magnesium which is a metal, sodium it's a metal. This is the only base which contains no metal ion, no metal atom. Remember, इसको हम दूसरे तरीके से पूछ सकते हैं, name a base which has no metal atom in it. Ammonium hydroxide. Okay. Question number 2. Which of the following is a tribasic acid?
Phosphoric acid.
Phosphoric acid. Right.
phosphoric acid.
Third one. H3PO4 the formula.
Sir, third one.
3 hydrogen atoms are there. That's why. In all other, count the number of hydrogen atom. Write the formula and count the number of hydrogen atom. Either more or less will be there. So it has 3. So it is phosphoric acid. Okay. The red litmus when added to an acid. What is the answer?
Remains red.
Sir, remains red.
Very good. When a strong acid reacts with a weak alkali, it results in the formation of
Acidic salt. Acidic salt.
correct.
Acidic salt.
Yes, beta. When a strong alkali reacts with a weak acid, basic salt.
Sir, basic.
Which is the following is mineral acid.
Sulfuric acid.
All of these.
Sulfuric acid.
These.
Only Rishika should answer. Let Rishika speak. Others, please mute yourself.
All of these.
All of these. Which acid is considered as the king of chemicals?
Sulfuric acid.
Hydrochloric acid.
Although it is not mentioned. All of you do not speak, beta. What? How many time I should tell you? What is the common name of sodium bicarbonate?
Baking soda.
Baking soda. So I think all of you could have got 15. Only 14 of you have responded,
15 out of 14.
including me. I have responded also. Okay, so I should close it. And now, any question from this chapter, beta? If you want to ask, write Y in the chat box. Any question? Write Y, then I'll call your name. Write Y in the chat box if you want to ask the question. Then I'll call your name and you can ask your question. Yes? No? No problem. Very good then. Memorize also, beta. If you have to write down short answers, you can also write down. Hydrogen ion. मैं एग्जिट करके आता हूँ. ओके, ठीक है. What is hydrogen ion? Shubhra has asked. Okay, Shubhra, you unmute yourself. Shubhra, unmute
Yes,
yourself. Yes, beta. See, hydrogen atom. We all know that atom is made up of electron, proton, and neutron. Okay, beta. So when hydrogen atom loses its one electron, it becomes one unit positively charged, and such positively charged atoms are called ions. So hydrogen ion means H, and on the top it is written plus sign. It means it has lost one electron. So when hydrogen atom loses one electron, it becomes hydrogen ion, right? As for example, water contains hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion, OH minus. Got it?
yes, sir.
Good. So if we do not have any question and no doubt, then very good. And beta, so shall we move ahead? Shubhra?
Yes, sir. New chapter.
Yes, sir.
Chemical.
Should I introduce the new chapter?
Yes,
Should I
sir.
introduce it? Okay, so Rishika will respond in between.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rishika, others
Yes,
please,
sir.
Changes.
mute yourself, beta. Yeah, I'm presenting my PPT. You can see my PPT, beta. Rishika?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. From current slide. See, physical and chemical changes. Okay, so my question number 1, Rishika will be responding. Ice cubes are in which state of matter? Rishika?
Solid.
Solid, good. State of matter means solid, liquid, gas. 3 state of matter. But I have told you sometime there are 5 states of matter. Anybody can recall? What are the other 2 states of matter? I have taught you in between somewhere or not? If not, then listen. Another one is plasma, Plasma. Should I write down also? Okay, you can see. Other one is plasma. Can you see, Rishika?
Yes, sir.
Okay, plasma. And the 5th one is BEC. Full form is Bose-Einstein condensate. So we have 5 states of matter. Okay, but we study about 3 states of matter in detail. So it is solid, you said. Okay, so let us check. Yes, you said ice cubes are in solid state. Very good. Next, if you get it out from freezer and kept it at room temperature, then what will be happening?
Liquid. It becomes
Liquid state.
Liquid state. Yeah, only Rishika, let Rishika speak, beta. And I understand that all of you are speaking. If all of us speak at the same time, it creates echo. So it will be problematic. I consider that all of you are speaking. Rishika is your representative right now. Okay, beta? So don't think like that. Yeah, you said it starts melting. It is changing into liquid state. It is
Liquid
called
state.
melting. And when a solid changes into liquid at the given temperature, the process is called melting. We should learn one sentence about every keyword of science. Okay? Okay, good. Now, my third question. What is this melting state of ice called? Rishika?
Sir, liquid.
Liquid state. Very good. Yeah, you said liquid state of matter. Okay. Next question. If again water is kept in freezer, then what will happen?
Solid.
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 It will become ice again. Okay, good. Same. If again water is kept in freezer, then what will happen? Same amount of ice will be formed. जितना ice melt हुआ था, उतना ही ice दोबारा बन जाएगा. Okay. So the change in ice is called. Can you what type
Solid.
of change?
Solid.
Reversible.
Reversible. Very good. Reversible change. And is any new substance formed?
Chemical change.
Irreversible.
No, beta. Listen my words. Listen my question. Is any new substance formed? Ice converted into water, water converted back into
No,
ice?
sir. No.
No. So this is called physical change. Okay. Of course, reversible change, reversible, irreversible, you have learned in class 6. That's why. But we can also call it physical change. Most of the physical changes are reversible. Okay, beta. Physical change it is called. Why physical change? Because no new substance is formed. Only physical properties got changed. Solid to liquid it became, liquid to again solid it became, right? Shape change. Ice cube was solid and it was in the piece of shape of the cube. But when it became water, it was having no fixed shape. The water is kept in a jug, it will take the shape of the jug. If you keep it in the glass, it will take the shape of the glass. Okay. Okay, next. Take a knife and burner. You can see a knife, Rishika, and a burner.
Yes, sir.
Right, beta? Burner you are having in your home, that is your LPG gas stove. But be careful. I have told you several times. Whenever I ask you to do some experiment where heat is needed, do it with your parents. Okay? You can do it again. आइस वाला भी करके देखना घर में. It's all better. Science is learning by doing. है ना? If you find any other observation, you can talk to me. Okay. Heat this knife on the flame. Be careful. है ना? Tip of the knife, you heat it in the flame. What will happen? The knife become red hot. है ना? It will become red hot. बिल्कुल लाल लाल गरम हो जाएगा बेटा. Right? ठीक है? Allow it. Stop heating it. Allow it to cool down. What will you find? It will become
लाल
same
लाल हो
as
जाएगा.
before. है ना बेटा? It will become same as before. So which type of change is this?
Physical change.
Physical change.
No new substance is formed. Okay, beta? Only color got changed here. Right? But knife, it was made up of steel or iron and it remained of that substance only. Okay, beta? So we define physical change. A physical change is the one that changes the shape, size, physical state or appearance of a substance, but not its chemical composition. Its chemical composition is not changed at all. Right? Now, just see your book. Check your science book, beta. Right? All of you are having your book? Check your
Yes,
science
sir.
book. You should go on page number, I think it is 59.
59.
59. Those who are not having, if you request me, I'll send the PDF format in your class WhatsApp group. किसी के पास बुक नहीं है, you can request me, है ना, on my personal WhatsApp. You have a request, I'll send you on your WhatsApp number, beta. See, underline and memorize. First, what are physical properties? Yes, beta.
सर इसकी लिंक एक बार और भेज दो.
Screen not visible. Rishika,
Sir, screen is visible.
visible, beta. You may be having problem, beta. I mean, leave and then join again. Physical properties देखो बेटा. Physical properties underline कर लो. Physical properties. Anybody can read? Rishika, properties.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, read करो बेटा.
Properties such as shape, size, color, and state of a substance are called its physical properties.
Very good. Note down this. All of you note down this. State means here, remember, not Madhya Pradesh, not Bihar, not Jharkhand. But what is the meaning of state here? Rishika,
प्रिंसिपल ऑफ
solid, liquid, or gas. That is the meaning of state here. Okay? Note it down. And now see beta. A change in which a substance undergoes a change in its physical properties only is called a physical change. So got it? Same definition which I showed you in the PPT. Note down beta. What is meaning of physical change? A change in which a substance undergoes a change in its physical properties is called a physical change. Okay? Another point, very, very important. A physical point change is generally reversible. Generally, beta, most of the physical changes are reversible. You will get back the previous matter. Okay, but sometimes you will not get. Suppose you are having a piece of paper. Okay, beta, piece of paper, and cut it into 4 or 5 pieces. Okay, now a change has taken place. But did you get a new substance formed? No, paper was the same paper, but what happened? It got converted into several pieces. But you cannot get the same paper again. Right, beta? So it
Yes,
is
sir.
not reversible. It is irreversible, but it's still a physical change. Okay. Suppose
Sir,
you are yes, beta, bolo.
if we want that paper,
नो द सेम पेपर आप कहोगे कि हम फेविक्विक ला के चिपका देंगे बट यू विल हैव सम जॉइंट देयर द सेम पेपर यू विल नॉट गेट बेटा बट पेपर इज देयर पेपर ही रहा है ना साइज चेंज हो गया हमारा सो इट इज अ फिजिकल चेंज नो न्यू सब्सटेंस फॉर्म आगे लाइन देखो द पंच लाइन है बेटा हमारा ये दिस इज द पंच लाइन दिस शुड बी इन आवर माइंड ऑलवेज इन फिजिकल चेंज नो न्यू सब्सटेंस इज फॉर्म्ड नया सब्सटेंस न्यू प्रॉपर्टी के साथ नहीं बनेगा टेक अनदर एग्जांपल सी इफ यू टेक अ पीस ऑफ वुड लकड़ी का एक बड़ा सा मोटा सा है ना टेक अ पीस ऑफ थिक वुड ओके नाउ टेक वन सॉ आरी है ना देखा होगा आपने कारपेंटर के दुकान में एंड कट इट इनटू सेवरल पीसेस और टेक एन एक्स कुल्हाड़ी से इसको काट दो 4, 5, 6 पीस में ओके सो विच टाइप ऑफ चेंज इज दिस रिवर्सिबल और इरिवर्सिबल irreversible but is it physical change or not
Sir, irreversible.
irreversible of course is it physical or not
Physical change.
it is physical.
because nothing no new substance was formed okay beta but if you burn that log of wood उस लकड़ी को चूल्हे में ले जाकर लगा दो जलने दो and after burning you will find heat is coming out some smoke is coming out carbon dioxide gas is coming out and after then white or black ash will be left so what has happened to the wood it has converted into many new substances and we cannot get back the wood so this is irreversible but it is a not a physical change it is a chemical change because new substances are formed okay done beta ye likh liya apna aapne what do you mean by physical property
Yes,
and what is a physical change and main points in a physical change no new substance is formed this will help you every time है ना every time whenever it is asked physical change or chemical change think that is a new substance or more new substance formed if yes chemical change if no physical change okay let us go ahead with my ppt coming back to the ppt mode okay yes in this way you can see little bigger in your mobile and beta ऋषिका
yes, sir.
नो डिफिकल्टी मोबाइल में देखने में परेशानी तो नहीं होती बेटा बहुत छोटा छोटा आ रहा है दिख नहीं रहा है तो मुझे बताना है ना आई विल मेक माय पीपीटी इन दैट फॉर्मेट सो दैट यू आर एबल टू सी इट क्लियरली नेक्स्ट बेटा सी ये ड्राइंग ऑफ क्लॉथ्स है ना वी डू एवरी डे है ना व्हेन वी पुट द वेट क्लॉथ्स टू ड्राई व्हाट हैपेंस टू द क्लॉथ्स the water from the cloth converts into water vapor
Gaseous form.
and it goes into the atmosphere so change is taking place okay this one see take a rubber band stretch it and then leave it what happens it comes back to its original shape original position shape is changing and it's coming back so what can you say which type of change are all these Rishika?
Sir, physical changes.
Yes.
Chemical change.
Absolutely correct. You can see what has come on the screen. New word came on the screen. Physical change. You are right, beta.
Physical change.
Physical change. A physical change, a change in which no new substance is formed. Only physical properties of the substance changes, its color may change, shape may change, state may change. As just in this one, drying of cloth, liquid water converts into vapor state of water, gaseous state of water. And here only shape was changed. The rubber band became a little bit longer and again it came back into its original position. Okay, beta? But no new substance is formed. Okay, now see some more examples. Crushing a can. आप लोग मजे एंजॉय करते होगे, एक कैन लेते हो दुकान से, है ना, और पी लेते हो और फिर क्या करते हो, उसको मस्ती से पैर से क्रश करते हो. But do you get any new substance in that? As can
No, sir.
converts into gold, silver, or ice cream, or any other pizza, burger? No, not at all. It remains,
No,
it
sir.
remains can. It was cylindrical in the beginning, and when you crush it, it becomes something. Which shape? Zigzag shape. Any shape which we do not like at all. Say second C, melting of an ice cube. We have seen physical change. Breaking a bottle. You see, you can see a breaking.
Physical change.
Physical change. No new substance formed, but bottle has
Irreversible change.
unfit for use now. Right, beta? है ना? Is it reversible?
No,
Sir,
sir.
it is irreversible change.
Irreversible.
Reversible. Remember, beta?
Irreversible.
Yeah. But remember, most of the physical changes are reversible, but many of them are not reversible. You can see. तो ऐसा मत लिख देना it is always reversible. क्या कहोगे? Most of the physical changes are reversible. Right, बेटा? ऐसा मत लिखना कि all the physical changes are reversible. है ना? So which will help you? The last line which I showed in your NCERT textbook. New substance is formed or not. That will help you. Okay, next, boiling water into steam. Okay, again, it's a physical change. No new substance is formed. Only state is changing. Forming, okay, beta. Forming clay into a sculptor. आपने मूर्तिकार को देखा होगा. Sculptor means मूर्तिकार. क्या करता है वो? एक मिट्टी का डो लेता है और उसको ब्यूटीफुल एक स्टैचू बनाता है. एक स्ट्रक्चर बनाता है, एक अच्छा सा स्टैचू बनाता है, ब्यूटीफुल. बट द सेम क्ले इज देयर, दैट क्ले हैज नॉट चेंज. लेकिन उसी मूर्ति को अगर वो आग में पका दे, देन दैट्स प्रॉपर्टी विल चेंज बेटा. दैट विल नॉट बी अ फिजिकल चेंज देन. ओके, सम मोर एग्जांपल.
Irreversible change.
Do you all agree? Read all 5. All of you read all 5. Anyone disagree? Then tell me. Read?
Sir, done.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Let me take attendance meanwhile. Okay. So, do you disagree anywhere at any point? All 5 physical change? Somewhere you disagree? Anywhere, beta? Crushing of iron? Janul? Crushing of iron.
Yes, sir.
Is it physical change? जल्दी बोलो, yes or no? Yes बेटा, क्रश का मतलब होता है आयरन को बिल्कुल स्मॉलर पीसेज में तोड़ देना. दैट इज क्रशिंग. क्रश मतलब बिल्कुल बारीक पीस देना. दैट इज क्रश कहलाता है. क्रश का मतलब बिल्कुल बारीक पीस देना किसी चीज को. क्रश तो आयरन ही रहेगा ना. इट विल नॉट बिकम एनी अदर मेटल, है ना बेटा. सो ऑल दीज 5 आर फिजिकल चेंजेस. ड्राइंग ऑफ वेट क्लॉथ, ब्रेकिंग ऑफ ग्लास, स्ट्रेचिंग ऑफ रबर बैंड, मेल्टिंग ऑफ वैक्स. तो सिर्फ मेल्ट होगा, बर्न नहीं कर रहे हैं हम. वैक्स मेल्ट होगा, सॉलिड टू लिक्विड, अगेन ठंडा करोगे वापस सॉलिड वैक्स मिल जाएगा. लेकिन हाँ, बर्निंग ऑफ वैक्स, वर्ड चेंज करो, बर्निंग अगर पढ़ा जाएगा देन इट विल नॉट बी अ फिजिकल चेंज. क्रशिंग ऑफ आयरन मींस आयरन इज converted into very smaller pieces. Okay, so now you see this diagram. Can you see the diagram beta? Burning a match. एक match
Yes, sir.
को burn करो और what will happen? It will release heat. तुरंत आपको खुद गर्म लगने लगेगा and light मिलेगी आपको. अंधेरे कमरे में जलाओ, थोड़ी सी लाइट मिलती है and results in ash. Later on black ash is left smoke comes out, gas comes out, carbon dioxide gas comes out. So what can you see here? When we burn a match, new substances are formed. है ना बेटा? Come on. Baking bread.
Yes.
When we bake a bread, the dough is kept in the क्या नाम इसका बोलते हैं, oven, है ना बेटा? Microwave oven, है ना? When we keep in the oven and then we take out, the cooking bread changes the color. The color got changed. आटे कलर कैसा रहता है मैदे का? And texture, उसको टच करोगे, टच करने वाला दिखेगा आपको. टेक्सचर मतलब फीलिंग व्हेन वी टच समथिंग, दैट इज कॉल्ड टेक्सचर. कुछ को टच करो ना से इस तरह एंड रब योर फिंगर्स ऑन दैट, यू विल फील समथिंग, दैट इज कॉल्ड टेक्सचर. ओडर, ओ डी ओ यू, यू लगा देना बेटा, ये अमेरिकन फॉर्मेट में है. ओ डी ओ यू आर, ओडर मींस स्मेल. चेंजेस आर नॉट. टेस्ट, टेस्ट, कैन यू एंजॉय ईटिंग that dough, or will you enjoy eating the bread, baked bread?
The bread.
Bread.
Sir, bread.
So you can see here changes have taken place, and you can see some new substance has been formed here. So you can think it is other than physical change. You can see silver items are there, some decorative items are there kept. This is the original one, and this has become because of the exposure to the environment, and particularly because of hydrogen sulfide gas, right? What happens? It becomes black, है ना? Sulfur when combines with silver, है ना बेटा? It forms silver sulfide, which is black in color. इसीलिए it is advised that we should not eat egg, boiled egg with silver spoon. चांदी के चम्मच से हमें अंडे नहीं खाना चाहिए. पता है क्यों? क्योंकि पूरी चम्मच जो है ना वो काली हो जाएगी आपके. चांदी से क्यों खा रहे हैं भाई? ब्राइट शाइन के लिए तो खा रहे हैं, शान दिखाने के लिए, और वो पूरी चम्मच काली हो जाएगी. तो लोग क्या बताएंगे, अरे देखो आयरन की चम्मच से खा रहा है ये, है ना? रिएक्शन हैपेंस लाइक दैट. एक मिनट, या दिस वन है ना? ओके, चलो ठीक है, एक बार देखें. सिल्वर व्हेन रिएक्ट्स विद सल्फर इट फॉर्म सिल्वर सल्फाइड, राइट, व्हिच इज ब्लैक इन कलर. इस तरह से आपने कई बार देखा होगा, एप्पल थोड़ा काट करके या खा करके छोड़ दो, व्हाट हैपेंस? हैव यू सीन? आज करके देखना आप लोग, घर में एप्पल हो तो.
Started rotting.
हाँ, रोटिंग हो जाती है और साथ लाल लाल धब्बे पड़ जाते हैं पूरे एप्पल पे. देखा होगा आपने, है ना? रेडिश कलर हो जाएगा बेटा, रस्टिंग हो जाती है. एक्चुअली आयरन कंटेन्स, आयरन इज प्रेजेंट इन द एप्पल. एप्पल में आयरन होता है और ऑक्सीजन से रिएक्ट करके आयरन ऑक्साइड बना देता है. ऐसा एप्पल फिर नहीं खाना चाहिए हमें, है ना? यू मे फॉल सिक इफ यू ईट द एप्पल व्हिच हैज बीन कट फॉर लॉन्गर पीरियड एंड वी आर एंजॉयिंग. Similarly, when a iron nail is kept in moisture and air, it gets rusted. So all these, we get new substances are formed, and so all these are which type of change? Yeah, beta, it is a chemical change. Okay, so we'll continue from here in the next class. Okay, so let me stop presenting and let us conclude by chanting Shanti Path. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ram, do the activity better. Whichever the activities we can do easily at our home, do.